1. Moisturizer. Apply coconut oil to your skin as a natural moisturizer. It hydrates and softens the skin, leaving it smooth and supple. When put on the skin, coconut oil can help keep it wet and healthy, which can make it less flaky and dry. 2. Hair conditioner. Coconut oil serves as a natural hair conditioner, helping to defrizz hair and treat dandruff. Use coconut oil as a deep conditioner for your hair. Apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for an hour, then wash it out for soft, shiny hair. 3. Makeup remover and skin treatments. Coconut oil is a natural and effective makeup remover. It gently dissolves makeup without the need for harsh chemicals. It can also be used to remove eye makeup and as a face wash to clean and moisturize the skin. Apply coconut oil to a cotton pad to gently remove makeup. It dissolves makeup and leaves your skin clean and moisturized. 4. Lip balm. Use coconut oil as a natural lip balm to soothe and hydrate chapped lips. It provides long-lasting moisture and a subtle shine. 5. Cooking oil. Use coconut oil for cooking and baking as a healthy alternative to butter or vegetable oil. It has a high smoke point and adds a subtle coconut flavor to dishes. 6. Shaving cream. Apply coconut oil to your skin before shaving for a smooth shave. It reduces irritation and leaves your skin soft and moisturized. 7. Cuticle oil. Massage coconut oil into your cuticles to keep them soft and healthy. It prevents hangnails and promotes nail growth. 8. Personal care. Sunscreen. Coconut oil is a natural sunscreen that protects lightly against UV rays that can be dangerous. It provides a low level of sun protection and helps prevent sunburn when used in moderation. 9. Anti-aging cream. Apply coconut oil to your face to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidants and moisturizing properties keep your skin looking youthful. 10. Oral health. Oil pulling. Swish coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes to improve oral health. People think that oil pulling can help get rid of bacteria, stop plaque from building up, and improve general oral health. Coconut oil may also help keep your breath fresh and teeth white because it kills germs. It reduces bacteria, whitens teeth, and freshens breath. 11. Furniture and wood conditioning. Coconut oil can be used to condition wood surfaces and furniture. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and rub it onto the wood to maintain its health and shine. It adds shine and protects the wood from drying out and cracking. 12. Diaper rash cream. Apply coconut oil to your baby's diaper rash to soothe and heal irritated skin. Its antibacterial properties help prevent infections. 13. Insect bite relief. Apply coconut oil to insect bites to reduce itching and swelling. Its anti-inflammatory properties provide quick relief. 14. Insect repellent. Mixing coconut oil with essential oils like citronella or peppermint creates an effective natural insect repellent, providing an alternative to chemical-based products. 15. Ear infection treatment. Use coconut oil as a natural remedy for ear infections. Warm the oil and apply a few drops to the affected ear to soothe pain and reduce inflammation. 16. Eczema relief. Apply coconut oil to eczema-prone areas to reduce itching and inflammation. Its moisturizing properties help heal and protect the skin. 17. Tattoo aftercare. Use coconut oil to keep new tattoos moisturized and promote healing. It prevents scabbing and keeps the skin soft. 18. Condition wooden cutting boards. Rub coconut oil into wooden cutting boards to condition and protect them. It prevents the wood from drying out and cracking. 19. Leather conditioner. Coconut oil can be used to moisturize leather goods, keeping them soft and supple. Use coconut oil to condition and restore leather items. It adds moisture and shine to leather shoes, bags, and furniture. 20. Natural deodorant. Apply coconut oil to your underarms as a natural deodorant. It reduces bacteria and keeps you smelling fresh without harsh chemicals. 21. Sore throat relief. Mix coconut oil with warm water and honey to soothe a sore throat. Its antimicrobial properties help reduce inflammation and fight infections. Other surprising uses. 22. Keeps food fresh. Coconut oil can be used as a natural way to keep food fresh, which can help some items last longer. When put on the ends of fruits that aren't covered, like bananas or avocados, coconut oil can slow down the oxidation process and keep the fruit from turning brown and going bad. On top of that, it can be used to grease baking pans, which keeps food from sticking and makes cleanup easy. 23. Coconut oil works well as a natural cleaner on many surfaces, like stainless steel, leather, and wood. Just put a little coconut oil on a cloth and wipe the area clean. This will get rid of the dirt and grime and leave a protective layer behind. Coconut oil can also be used to clean furniture naturally, making wooden surfaces look new again and keeping them in good shape. 24. Skin and wound healing. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it an excellent treatment for minor cuts, scrapes, and wounds. In the East, people apply coconut oil topically to accelerate healing by increasing collagen production and reducing inflammation. It is also effective in soothing burns once the initial heat has dissipated. 24. Digestive Health. Coconut oil can be used to alleviate heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. Taking a spoonful of coconut oil can help in detoxifying the body and supporting overall digestive health. 26. Reduce wrinkles and brown spots. Additionally, coconut oil can help reduce wrinkles and brown spots by applying it under the eyes and on age spots. 27. Guitar strings and musical instruments. Coconut oil can also be used to condition guitar strings and other musical instruments. 28. Lastly, coconut oil can be used to get rid of pests naturally. It can keep bugs away because of its strong smell, which makes it a safe option to insect repellents that contain chemicals. Bugs like mosquitoes and flies will stay away from skin that is exposed to a small amount of coconut oil. By mixing it with sugar and putting it in places where bugs are common, it can also be used to make a natural insect trap. As with any new thing you add to your routine, you should be careful and do a patch test before using it all the time to make sure it works with your needs and allergies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons.